Mobeto ndibekala moja inapitatu kuchalo lopedulujio sanga umo pitangu yafuka chabulamu zokuwasa abachala abanje mwesira kino nawoza abachala 78 kyokanga gamanti bo abana bali ntamanyi olw'omwendo gumususeko
well is controlling like this. He can leave this house twice. Then after that, he goes and out.
Umunya kule chale che ngobotuka isuka kusala maze oluno yanizibwa akalaka esudde yasimira bachala bitabana bazala
akorrarno
ikiana bwelumegi akorro
was even sick, but he's managing his wife. He's managing his wife. He's managing. He has cows. Every house, he can even, they are milking even 20.
Mukokera kuno mategeza ndi bachale bonna yabwasa mateka ngasuka kwanjirwa bwatu nawa yente ezibazi musalido okusizira kubazadde bomchala gwabasimye
If I know that I have many cows, I have to marry the way I like it.
Oni ategiranga uli muchala alinente zisuka 20 ne walimira kyokanga yengo omuntu alinente emitwalo 2 ekimufula namba 2 kubasinga obugaga mu kitundu ekyo
ani akaginozi ogiyalana bate.
Explain here in Karamoja, if you really have at least something, either 200 heads of cattle, can put that thing.
wetukidinga mu bachale bagenzi kutale kulunda ate nokunonya ebyokulya iranga ye takola
some of these people here, they have some are taken by their husband. What they have gone to their families, like the girls and so on.
Ona tegeza ntagala muntu yena okugenda ne bachala be
Ugyala take ye.
He has about to even 30 ox plus, which can every woman three ox.
ebimu kubimusomoza ge masomero butaba mu kitundu ekyo ngayinanga nje kusomesa mbana be nasaba gavumenti bazimbire amasomero mu budde obweki batawanyizibwa nyingi alaka kutiya olemera okubeera eyomuswaba
Akorra akatinyene.
One challenges on Isanga.
Now the man is really said it's enough. Even the children is enough. Even his wife they are enough. They are not. Is no longer going to marry again.
Godfrey Katongole yakusakide guleno kulawo kede TV.